And now I request Srimati V. Narasamma, Joint Director, Samagra Shiksha. Ma'am, if you can please share a few words with us here today on stage.
Good morning all the dignitaries, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I want to share statistics of Telangana Education Department. We are having 41,270 schools in Telangana, out of which 11,000 schools are in private management. And again 59 lakhs enrollment in entire Telangana, again 30 lakhs in private schools. And we are having 2,82,000 in Telangana, and among them 1,54,940 teachers are working in private sector. I hope this education summit will definitely bring a good convergence between private and government sectors in Telangana. And I thank the organizers for conducting this education summit, and also being the head of the institution, you are representing thousands of students, and definitely your attempt to upgrade your skills will reach thousands of lives. And thank you again. Thank you.